There are certain equations in two variable which are not linear one, but they can be reduced to a linear equation in the two variables. Such equations which are not in linear, but we'll reduce them to a pair of linear equation. Here we are going to consider such example. Now equations are reducible to a pair of linear equations, and there are certain equations which are not in linear form, but they can be reduced to linear equation in a certain way. And for example, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. This is exactly 3y plus 2x is equal to 12xy obtained by multiplying by 6xy throughout, which is not a linear. In fact, it is a quadratic equation. I mean, it is an equation of degree 2, and therefore degree 2y, it is a degree 2. You can say xy in the right hand side term, that is 1 plus 1, that is going to be 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. And this equation can be reduced to a linear equation, but in x and y. How we can do this one? Consider an example here. 1 by 2x 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. This can be reduced to, I would like to write down, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. By assuming 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, then the equation becomes 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 3 into b equal to 2. This is a linear equation in a and b with fractions as a coefficients, or else we can write down 3a plus 2b equal to 12. I can write down. This is a linear equation in this one. Now, given a pair of such equations, how to solve those exact equations? Now we can see here, what is that? You consider the same example. One of the equation is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2, and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. As usual, I have told you now, let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. And this you can call, this is equation 1 and this is 2. Therefore, 1 and 2 become 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b is equal to 2, and 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b equal to 13 by 6. By multiplying both sides by 6 to these two equations, we have 3a plus 2b equal to 12. Call this is an equation 3. And here 2a plus 3b equal to 13. You can call this is equation 4, and now you can see here solving these two equations. I mean 3a plus 2b equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b equal to 13. Multiply this by 2 and this by 3. We will get what is that? 6a plus 4b equal to 24 and 6a plus 9b equal to 39. Subtract these in one another because the coefficient of a in both the cases is 6. So these are going to get cancelled. This is 5b equal to minus 15, and therefore b equal to minus 15 by minus 5, that is equal to 3. And substituting b equal to 3 in what is that? In equation number 3, in 3 we get 3a plus 2 into 3 equal to 12 implies 3a plus 6 is equal to 12 and 3a equal to 6. Therefore, a equal to 2 only. And in turn, but we have assumed that a equal to 1 by x is equal to 2 implies 2x is equal to 1, and therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. And b equal to 1 by y, and that is 3, implies y equal to 3y equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 is the solution for this equation. In this way, the equations which are not in a linear form but they can be reduced to linear equation, and thereby as usual we can adopt any of the method which I have explained already. We can solve for a and b and then for x and y.